Hello, in front of me I have Xlyne Joli XW Pro and I'm gonna show you how to factory reset this watch by using the phone application. Before we start, if you want to factory reset your watch, make sure that the battery level on your watch is at least above 20 or 30%, because if the battery dies during the resetting process, it might damage your device. Also, if you want to use the phone application to factory reset your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the XW Fit application. And once the devices are paired together, we can continue. And now we can open the XW Fit application on the phone that is paired with our watch. In the app, you should see the data page. Now tap on the device icon and here scroll down, find the option called More Settings. And as you can see, we have the option called Reset right here. Tap on it and then tap on Confirm to confirm and reset the watch. And after a couple of seconds, the factory reset will be complete. And that's how you factory reset this watch by using the phone application. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.